Most people are not stuck because God isn't speaking. They're stuck because they're trying to build without instruction. And that realization is why I've completely restructured everything I do. My name is Jeff Rohr, and this is Kingdom Life Way. Over the past several years, I've shared a lot of teachings on hearing the voice of God, kingdom business, alignment, and divine instruction through YouTube, cohorts, podcasts, and even speaking engagements and coaching. And while many people have been impacted, I started noticing a consistent pattern. People are consuming insight, but not stepping into transformation. They're hearing truth, but still building without clarity, still making decisions from pressure instead of instruction, still asking God for direction while ignoring what He has already said. And I realized something had to change. So I've built everything into what I call Kingdom Life Way, a structured ecosystem of alignment, instruction, and transformation in real life. It's no longer just random content being released. It's no longer scattered teachings. It's now a clear pathway for activation, alignment, and transformation. Let me say that again. It's going to be a clear pathway for activation to alignment and transformation. Here's how Kingdom Life Way is now structured. There's always going to be a complimentary or free layer. I'll continue to release podcasts and my Kingdom Flash teachings and several of my micro real teachings of Revelation. There's going to be short, direct messaging designed to activate awareness, sharpen discernment, and keep you aligned in real time. That's what the free stuff's going to be for. There's also going to be a transformative pathway. This is where we're going to go deeper through structured 3-day kingdom challenges, live summits, and master classes. These are designed not just for information, but they're for activation through obedience and application. The Kingdom Life Way community and weekly coaching is what we're going to be releasing. We're building the Kingdom Life Way community, a space for connection, development, and alignment. And within that, we're also going to have weekly group coaching sessions for accountability, clarity, and ongoing growth. Now, I will have advanced engagement with me for direct things like one-on-one coaching, speaking engagements, mastermind classes, and for those of you that want to go deeper. I'll focus on long-term transformation, alignment, and execution with divine instruction in those moments. Also, my book and coaching sessions are still available in their current structure, but as Kingdom Life Way continues to evolve, everything is being refined into a more focused system of alignment and kingdom development. So if you're been sensing that you need clarity, not just more information, but real direction in your life, business, and calling, start with my book, Protocols for the Courts of Heaven, or book an alignment session with me. They're complimentary. And let's discern your next step together. Because Kingdom Life Way was never about content. It was about alignment with divine instruction. Welcome to Kingdom Life Way. Thank you. God bless.